Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use your phone as a webcam if your webcam is broken or is not working properly. You can use iOS or you can use an Android device. So let's get started and see how you can set it up. And this works wirelessly. You don't need any cable or anything like that. You just need a computer and your device, your phone device or whichever you use that has a camera. So we need to go to this website here, this Iriun, and here you will have available for Windows, for Mac users and for Linux users. So it depends which one you use. So I'm using Windows. I'm gonna download for Windows, and here I'm gonna click on save to save the download. And now here I'm gonna click on this to install this application. And now we click on accept and agreement. Next, and install. And we're gonna wait for it to install. And here we're gonna click on this start. We're gonna let this checked and click on finish. And application will be launched right now. Now, as you can see here, we need to download on our phone. So we need now to go to our phone, and I will show you for iPhone, but if you have Android, you just go to Google Store. If you click here, you will get the link to application, and if you click here in App Store, you will get this link for the app that you need to install on your iPhone or iOS device. So here I'm gonna show you for the iPhone. So we go here in App Store, and here we will search for same app as on PC, this one, and we need to download this one right here. This is the one that we need to download. So click on get, and after that we're gonna click on allow here and click OK here. And now here, if you go here on Discord, for example, I'm gonna show you right here. And as well, you can use for the webcam on webcam settings, Iriun webcam here, and here you will have your iPhone or Android device web camera. So that's pretty much it how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.